everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be about how I edit my Insta stories. I've been getting quite a few questions in regards to what apps I use to jazz up my Insta stories and to make them just so appealing that people always want to watch them. So if you're also wondering what I use, then please stay tuned. I will share with you the few apps that I use. So to start off with, I'm just going to show you the apps that I use and then briefly describe them and what they do, and then I'll go into each of the apps step by step, showing you how I actually do the editing. So the first app that I have been using of late is called Unfold. So yeah, Unfold is an app that helps you create mini stories outside the actual Insta story, and it allows you to add different pictures together like video collages and things like that. So I've been really loving this app for the editorial field because it allows me to add text and also add a picture together in one, and it just looks super nice. And we'll go into it like that. So once you open it, you can create a story. So then you can choose whatever template that you feel like is working best for you.
And I'm going to go ahead and just choose that one. This one will allow you to add a picture as well as some writings underneath, and once you double tap on that, you'd be able to put a picture, and then I will say blogging, and then underneath you can write a further bit more writings on what your story is about. So I was like, I will just put how to become a successful blogger. You can write as many writings as you want, but this is just an example. And once you're happy with that, you can also add a few more templates to your story. I will just add these two pictures, and you can add a video here if you want. However, I'll just go in and add another picture. So if you opted to put videos together, you can still do that if you choose to do so. So once you're happy with your story, you can go ahead and save it, and that is good for you to post on your Insta story.
And then the other one is called Type, and Type is for animated text to appear on your Insta stories or on your pictures. So I normally use this when I send out my morning text. So when I say good morning to everybody in my Insta story, I always use Type, and together alongside music, I always add like a text, an animated text, and then I also set the timer to the specific time that you want it to play for. So yeah, Type is really good for that.
And for Type, all you have to do is go into the app. Once you're in it, you can tap on, once you're in it, you just swipe up, and then I will use OK, and then you can tap on that just to give you like little quotes. If you tap on the speech marks, it gives you quotes like that. Or if you want to just type your own thing, you can do that, but I'll choose that. Okay, for you. And then you can change the color of it just by simply tapping on there. And you can resize it if you opt to, just to make it look a little bit better. So I'll push it to there. Okay, that looks better. And then I can choose to magnify the writings more by pressing on the teardrop thing. And then to add music, I can just go ahead and go in there and choose whatever music you want. But yeah, I'm not going to go in and show you the music part, but yeah, you can just type in whatever song that you want to add and you can add it to that. And then there's this other feature that helps you prolong your story or your little video clip, and I normally put it on 0.75x, and that's about it. That's your little video ready to be posted on your Insta story, and you just do save.
The other app is called Legend, and Legend is similar to HypeType, only that with Legend it's much more it's got cooler animations for text when the text appear on your video or on the, not video. For Legend it's only for pictures, so I use that for my pictures and to animate them and to make them look cool. And the other one is called Canva, and Canva, I use it for my YouTube thumbnails and also for my Insta stories. And the other one is called Apple Clips. Now for this one, I'm not too sure whether it comes inbuilt because I had to download mine, and I love it. Like, it's so good to just create little mini stories. For example, if you've seen me taking a video of my unboxing or making a cup of tea or stuff like that, I normally use Apple Clips for that because it allows you to add music to it, like free music to it. It allows you to add, like to annotate your videos if you want. So for example, if I'm recording a video, and maybe I want it to annotate what I'm saying, it can do that for you. How cool is that? And then what else does it do? Yeah, I'm gonna go into it anyway. Okay, then I go into my library. Let's say I want to create a story on that. I'm gonna, so then you have to press it on for it to download, or you can just, yeah. Okay, once it's downloaded, I can simply add a bit of like jazz to it. So it's got some posters that you can add in the story. So for example, if what am I going to choose? Okay, I think I'll just go for this one. So then it will download it into your actual video that you are editing, and this just gives your story a bit of a feel to it. Ah, I kind of like that. It's cute. Okay, so we've got 2 clips now for our little video, and I'll go ahead and just add some music to it. Let's try that one. I don't know. It depends on what sort of
vibe you want people to get from your actual video. So for me, let's say I'm feeling much more chilled, so I'll go for that one, I think. Okay, we'll go for that one then. Then apply. Oh, by the way, it also records what you're saying, like when you're actually downloading the videos, so you need to bear that in mind. So if I wanted to record like a voiceover for the video that I'm doing, I've done this for unboxing, for example. If I want to talk as I am filming, I can just simply do that. So there you have it. That's your little video saved. Then the last one is called Cat Story. So Cat Story is for those of us who like recording long videos and don't like the interruptions that the actual Insta story in Instagram does, because you know it can only record for about 15 seconds, I believe. It's 15 seconds, and the pain of having to continue, stop, continue, like, you know, start, stop, that process for me, that's annoying. So what I do is I just record my video outside the app, and then outside Instagram, and then I put it through to Cut Story, and Cut Story does it all for you. It chops up the story into 15 seconds, so you don't have to worry about that. It does the whole job for you, and all you have to do is obviously put it into the Insta story one by one. If you've recorded a very long video, it can be tedious because you have to like manually put all the stories together into your Insta story, but well, at least it's done the job for you. So yeah, those are the 6 apps that I've been using of late. So that's it for now, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to leave me a thumbs up, and if you're not yet subscribed, please just subscribe to my channel. That would be very helpful to me. If you enjoyed this one, or you want me to make more videos like this in regards to Instagram and stuff like that, then please leave your comments down below. That will help me know what is working for you guys and what's not. So yeah, it's goodbye for now, and I'll see you in my next video.